Hi, my name is Lance, and today we're going to be cleaning. My job in this house is to clean this bathroom. So, anything to make my life easier and to get me out of here makes me happy. So today, we're going to be using a concoction called the Miracle Cleaner. It is natural, and so it's cheap and safe. All we're going to be needing today is a little bit of vinegar and Dawn and some baking soda. Let's get started. Don't tell my parents, but I let this shower get pretty dirty. So this is a Fiberglass pre-made shower. It has a textured bottom to prevent slipping, but it catches a lot of dirt. So first thing we're gonna need to do is use some baking soda and just sprinkle baking soda, on here. So now that we have all the baking soda on the shower, we're gonna wanna put some old towels on top of it. So, get some towels here. One towel. So now, we're gonna wanna put some boiling hot water on the towels. And what the towels are going to do is they're going to prevent from splashing and keep everything in its right place. Now that the water is cool, we're going to take off the towels and scrub the baking soda with a soft sponge. Now that I got some of the worst of the dirt off, I'm going to use the vinegar and Dawn solution to scrub off the rest. Okay, that's already working. This is working pretty well. It's the moment of truth. I've been scrubbing for about 10 minutes now, and I can't really see how clean it is to the dirty water. So let's spray it with water. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking real nice. So now look at it. It's much more cleaner. I see a couple spots that I missed and a couple spots that are just real dirty. But it got all the soap scum, all of the dirt, and now I can do the walls. And remember, this is just vinegar, baking soda, and Dawn. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.